Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some seriously genius tools available on Amazon that will make your life so much easier. From home improvement to DIY projects, these 10 tools are absolute game changers. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Bosch GCB 18-volt compact bandsaw is a game changer for professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It's 60% lighter and 40% more compact than standard deep-cut saws, perfect for tight spaces and overhead cutting. Weighing only 7.3 pounds. It's easy to handle in tricky spots. Its robust 18-volt motor delivers clean cuts with minimal sparks, reducing rework for burrs or tempering colors. It cuts up to 2.5 inches in a single pass, tackling most common materials effortlessly. The tool-free blade guard and blade change features make it super convenient, allowing quick blade swaps without extra tools. Its ergonomic design, with a centered handle and enhanced soft grip main handle, ensures greater control and comfort. The Bosch GCB 18-volt simplifies your cutting tasks, offering convenience, performance, and ease of use in one sleek package, making it an essential tool for any project. Number 2. The CZI Mini Chainsaw 6-inch is a powerful and convenient tool for all your wood and tree cutting needs. Equipped with two 21-volt 2000 mAh batteries and a fast charger, it offers outstanding battery life, allowing you to work continuously for up to 50 to 60 minutes. The lithium-ion batteries come with self-overload and temperature protection, ensuring a longer lifespan. Designed for one-hand use, this chainsaw is lightweight and easy to control, making it safe and efficient for accurate cutting. Its design means you only need the weight of the chainsaw itself to complete cuts, without applying extra pressure. For enhanced safety, the CZI chainsaw features an oiler device and a safety lock switch. The lubrication system ensures a smooth cut every time. And the safety lock prevents accidental starts by requiring both the safety lock and trigger to be pressed simultaneously. Operating at a low noise level of less than 75 dB, this chainsaw won't disturb your neighbors. It's also easy to maintain, with simple chain sharpening and regular bar lubrication keeping it in top condition for years. Whether you're working inside or outside, the CZI Mini Chainsaw is a reliable and efficient tool for your cutting tasks. Number 3. The Calculated Industries 8105 Blind Mark Drywall Electrical Box Locator Tool is a must-have for anyone installing drywall. This tool ensures perfect drywall cutouts in half the time without the need for measuring. Using powerful rare earth magnets, the blind mark locates and aligns outlet boxes accurately through drywall, eliminating time-consuming and error-prone measurements. Say goodbye to miscut boxes with the blind mark. Its innovative design makes locating and marking outlet boxes error-free. Simply point the arrows on the target and locator in the same direction, and the powerful magnets will align perfectly, allowing you to make precise cutouts faster and with less lifting. Even if it's your first time hanging drywall, the blind mark ensures professional results you can be proud of. Its patented technology snaps into place, showing you exactly where to cut. This foolproof system not only saves you time but also pays for itself by avoiding costly measuring errors and the need for patches or repairs. With the blind mark, you can confidently install drywall more easily and finish jobs more quickly. It's a reliable tool that assists you in achieving flawless results without the hassle of traditional measuring methods. Number 4. The Jokari 20050 Ergonomic Super 4 Plus Automatic Wire Stripper is an essential tool for anyone working with wires. Designed to strip wires ranging from 0.2 mm to 6 mm in diameter, this wire stripper ensures precision and ease of use. Measuring 16.5 cm in length, 14 cm in width, and 2.7 cm in height, it's compact yet powerful. One of the standout features is its ability to cut wire cross-sections up to AWG 14, 2.5 mm superscript 2. The adjustable length stopper allows for consistent and precise stripping lengths, ensuring your work is accurate every time. The plier handle design, combined with a lockable grip, provides comfort and control during use, reducing hand fatigue and increasing efficiency. The ergonomic design of the Jokari 20050 makes it easy to handle, and its automatic stripping mechanism simplifies the process, saving you time and effort. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this wire stripper is a reliable and efficient addition to your toolkit. Number 5. The Kreg KBCIC Inline Clamp is a versatile and powerful tool designed to hold workpieces securely without getting in the way. By applying pressure from the side rather than from overhead, This clamp allows you to work freely and efficiently. A peg fits into any 3/4-inch diameter hole, making it easy to use with any bench that has dog holes or any work surface where you can drill holes. Ideal for a wide variety of DIY and woodworking tasks, the inline clamp is a perfect companion to the Mobile Project Center. It provides the helping hand you need, offering up to 250 pounds of clamping force. The clamp swivels to apply pressure from any angle, accommodating almost any shape of workpiece or assembly. With the Craig KBCIC inline clamp, you can get more from your workbench, enhance your project capabilities, and enjoy greater flexibility and control in your woodworking tasks. Number 6. The Drain-X 6-foot toilet auger is a versatile and effective tool for clearing toilet clogs. This manual or drill-powered closet auger is designed with a curved end to avoid damaging porcelain and minimize contact with toilet residue. Its swivel head allows the cable to navigate T-junction pipes easily, ensuring thorough cleaning and clog removal. The auger features a durable 3/8-inch steel cable with a drop head, which is excellent for catching and clearing clog residue. The curved plastic end not only protects your toilet's porcelain surface, but also helps the auger tip reach deeper into the pipe, allowing the cable to extend further into the clog for effective clearing. Additionally, the auger is telescopic, offering greater reach when needed. The Drain-X 6-foot toilet auger is an essential tool for any homeowner or plumber, providing a reliable and safe solution for unclogging toilets without causing damage. Number 7. The AlsaTools Split Beam Torque Wrench with 1/2 inch drive is a high-precision tool designed for accurate torque applications across a wide range. Featuring a plus or minus 4% accuracy throughout its 50 to 250 feet-pound torque range, it ensures precise tightening without the risk of over-tightening. This torque wrench uses a knob-type torque adjustment mechanism, which is easier and quicker to adjust compared to traditional twist knobs. The locking lever provides added security, preventing accidental changes to your torque setting. Made from heavy-duty steel, this torque wrench is built to withstand rigorous use and is calibrated to industry standards for reliability. Unlike click-type torque wrenches, it doesn't require resetting to 0 after use, saving time and ensuring consistent performance. Simply set it to your preferred torque value, and it remains accurate and ready for immediate use. The wrench features a robust 72-tooth design with a 5-degree swing arc, making it ideal for industrial applications where precision and durability are essential. The audible click when the desired torque is achieved ensures precise tightening every time, making it a valuable investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 8. The Microlux Micro Sander is a compact and powerful detail sander designed for precision and efficiency in small projects and tight spaces. With a lightweight build, it offers exceptional maneuverability and control, making it ideal for intricate work where precision is crucial. This versatile sander features quick exchange bits, allowing for seamless transitions between tasks and corner sanding capabilities that ensure thorough and precise sanding even in the most confined areas. Operating at 7,000 strokes per second, the Microlux Micro Sander delivers high-performance sanding on various surfaces, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Designed for professional finishes, it excels in achieving desired thickness and smoothness in your projects, thanks to its fine electric sanding capabilities. Whether you're refinishing furniture, crafting models, or detailing woodwork, the Microlux Micro Sander is a reliable tool that combines precision, power, and ease of use to achieve flawless results. Number 9. The Bestol Panel Dolly is a versatile transport and support tool designed for moving doors, boards, and large workpieces with ease and safety. It features adjustable handling equipment that can accommodate objects of various sizes, ranging from 0.7 inch to 3.2 inches in length, ensuring a snug fit during transport. Equipped with 4 detachable spherical rotating casters, the dolly can roll smoothly in any direction, enhancing maneuverability. Additionally, 2 of the wheels have brakes to improve stability when carrying objects, providing added security. To prevent damage and ensure safety, the dolly includes EVA anti-slip pads at contact points between the carrier and the object. These pads not only protect against scratches, but also increase friction for secure movement. Constructed from durable materials, the Bestol Panel Dolly features PP plastic mixed with glass fiber for strength and coated with rust-resistant powder. Its load-bearing parts consist of high-strength spring-heavy steel, ensuring a solid structure capable of supporting up to 230 pounds, 100 kilograms of weight. This dolly is suitable for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a practical choice for a wide range of applications, including transporting display boards, information panels, or other heavy items safely and efficiently. Number 10. The Capro 314 Set and Match Ruler System is a versatile and customizable tool designed for precision in various DIY and home improvement projects. It features a durable aluminum frame with a unique slide and lock mechanism, allowing users to customize their layout and marking tool by attaching different accessories. This DIY tool includes 2 slide and lock vials for accurate leveling, as well as sliding knife guides for precise cutting. It offers 2 scales and 1/8 for detailed measurements, aiding in alignment and ensuring accuracy in tasks such as hanging shelves, aligning cabinets, wallpapering, and leveling mirrors. The Capro 314 is suitable for carpentry, drywall work, and interior design projects, making it a versatile addition to any toolkit. The handle with a sliding knife guide ensures quick and safe cutting, with a spring-loaded mechanism that locks securely in place for precise operation. Whether you're a professional or a DIY enthusiast, the Capro 314 Set and Match Ruler System provides the tools needed to achieve professional quality results in a wide range of applications.